Hey guys, my name is Mark Bradley, personal trainer here at the Arena Club. I'm here to give you guys an arena fitness tip of the day. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a functional HIIT workout. So before we even get into anything, I want to tell you kind of what a HIIT is. A HIIT is a high intensity interval training. What we're doing is you're spiking your heart rate and we're going to then bring it down. We're going to spike it up again and we're going to bring it down. We want to do big movements. We want to be working the big rocks of the body, like the legs, the back, and chest, all those big rocks. So what we're going to do is we're going to go with the 4 basic movements now. The 4 basic movements for a functional movement is a squat. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our feet kind of nice and wide underneath our hips. We're going to let our butt sink back and we're going to sit down. Don't let our knees travel past our toes. We're going to come back up, down, and up. That's a squat. That's one of the functional movement patterns. The other one is a hinge. So hinge of the hips. Another example is we're going to lay on our back. We're going to drive our toes up, hands by our side. We're going to drive our hips up in the air. Come back down. When we drive up, we want to squeeze our glutes and hamstrings up and down. And then that's the hinge. The next one is the push. So we're going to do a push-up. Okay, we want to get our hands underneath our shoulders. We want to grip the ground with our fingertips, big back, and we want to go down and up, down and up. If that is too challenging, drop to the knees, keep our butt down, down and up. So that is the push. And then the final movement for our function movement is a pull. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a TRX, we're gonna grab on, we're gonna squeeze with our forearms, straight line from the top of our head down to our heels, and we're going to pull up. Okay, big chest. I don't want to see any sagging here or here, just a nice straight line. Okay, so what we're gonna do to make it a HIIT workout is you're gonna do each movement for 30 seconds. Once you perform one movement for 30 seconds, you're gonna then rest for 20. You're gonna repeat about 4 to 5 times. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes. That is how you effectively do a HIIT workout. My name is Mark. Hope you enjoy the video.